Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Students, our today's topic is comparison between more or less object. Before the starting chapter, I want to tell you about what is the meaning of more and what is the meaning of less. That thing which is more in their quantity is called more thing. That thing which is more in their quantity is called more thing, or which thing is less or little in their quantity is called less thing or less object. As example, if you have 5 apples and your brother is 4 apples, so which apple is more and which apple is less? Who is having more apple and who is having less apples? You are having 5 apples and your brother is having 4 apples. So whose apple is more in their quantity or whose apples are less in their quantity? Your apples are more in their quantity, so you have more apple, and your brother apples are less in their quantity, so your brother has less apples. Okay, clear? So I want to tell you again and explain through the picture. Let's start. Okay, look here. Two pictures are here. This plate has more apple and this plate has less apples. In this plate, apples quantity are more. That is why this plate has more apple. And this plate has less apples because the apples in this plate has less quantity. Okay? In this plate, the number of apples is more. That is why this plate has more apple. And in this plate, the number of apples are less. That is why this plate has less apple. इस प्लेट में एप्पल्स की क्वांटिटी ज़्यादा है नंबर्स में, तो ये ज़्यादा हो गए. और इस प्लेट में एप्पल्स की क्वांटिटी नंबर में कम है, सो ये लेस एप्पल हो गए. ओके, नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड पिक्चर. ओके, one boy is here and one girl is here. How many balls has this boy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this girl has 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. So who is having more balls? This boy or this girl? This boy, because this boy has more balls. The number of balls are more than the balls which is having this girl. Okay, the number of the ball is more, that is why this boy has more ball, and the number of ball is less, so that this girl has less ball. यहाँ बॉल्स के नंबर ज़्यादा हैं, इसलिए इस बॉय के पास ज़्यादा बॉल है, और नंबर में ये बॉल्स कम है, तो इस गर्ल के पास लेस बॉल्स हैं. ओके, नाउ कम टू द थर्ड पिक्चर. Look at the picture. What is this? This is bucket. Bucket means balti. And what is this? This is a mug. Okay. This object is longer and this object is shorter. हम लोगों ने longer object और shorter object पहले पढ़ा है ना? Which object is long in their height is called longer object, and that object which is shorter in their height is called shorter object. So this object has short height, so that this mug is short, and this bucket is large in their size, so that this bucket is large. Okay, so large object can hold more water or more liquid thing. Okay, and shorter object can hold less object. That is why this bucket can hold more water, just because its size is larger. And this mug can hold less water, just because this mug is shorter. Okay, clear? Come to the exercise point. Okay, look here. Your first exercise is color the tray that has more eggs. 2 trays are here. One tray has more eggs and one tray has less eggs. So you have to do what you have to do. You have to color that tray which has more egg. So you have to color this tray, because this tray has more eggs now. Only 2 eggs on 2 eggs in this tray, and more eggs are in this tray now. So you have to color this tray. Okay. Now second exercise, circle the glass that has less water. आपको सर्कल उस ग्लास को करनी है जिसमें लेस वाटर है. लेस मीन्स कम. सो between them, which glass has less water? This or this? This glass has less water, so you have to circle this glass. Okay, look here. 2 trees are here. In this exercise, what you have to do? You have to put a tick in the box for the tree that has more fruits. आपको उस पेड़ के सामने वाले बॉक्स में टिक करना है जिस पेड़ पर ज़्यादा फ्रूट्स हैं. सो विच ट्री दैट हैज़ मोर फ्रूट्स? दिस और दिस? किस ट्री पे ज़्यादा फ्रूट्स हैं, इसमें और इसमें? दिस ट्री. सो यू हैव टू पुट अ टिक इन दिस बॉक्स. ओके. लास्ट एक्सरसाइज, पुट अ क्रॉस इन द बॉक्स फॉर द केक दैट हैज़ लेस कैंडल्स. 2 cakes are here. One cake has more candles and one cake has less candles. So what you have to do? You have to put a cross in the box on that cake that has less candle. आपको उस केक के सामने वाले बॉक्स में क्रॉस करना है जिसमें कम कैंडल्स हैं. So between them, which cake has less candle? This or this? This. So you have to put a cross in this box. And this exercise you have to do in this book on today's date. First you have to write your date, your tomorrow's date. Tomorrow is 12. Okay, so you have to write date first, then start your work. Nobody will do this exercise in your maths copy. This assignments you have to do in your maths book only. Okay. If you have any doubt, any question, so you can message me on WhatsApp number. Thank you.